Alrighty, ready for this? I'm going to let the numbers speak for themselves. Over $15,000 in course sales, my first course ever. Over 600 new people added to my email list, and over 4,000 targeted and engaged Instagram followers. Those are the real factual numbers that Roota helped me achieve in the time that I worked with her. So if you're thinking about it, the numbers are obvious. I can't make this up. Dive in head first, literally. Not only was I able to achieve all that, but she works with you one-on-one, and she makes it so comfortable to learn about how Instagram works and how to use stories to effectively sell what it is that you are offering, but not in an icky, salesy way, in a way that is providing value to your community and to your followers, so they see that you're not, you know, that typical Instagram person selling them something. You are providing value and giving advice and helping people out and showing up at the end of the day, just being real, being that person. And they can say, I'm going to buy from that person because I trust them, because I like them, because they're providing value for free. So she walks you through all of that, and it's just such an amazing experience. I love Instagram. I normally, and before all this, I'd never done Instagram stories. I'd never been comfortable in front of a camera. But at the end of the day, if you want to really build your brand and get your products out there to the world, social media is part of it. And the biggest part of that is videos. So if you're reluctant about that, dive in with Roota. She will work with you one-on-one to make sure that the content that you are putting out there is perfect for your audience, is comfortable for you, and it'll be awesome. So like I said, I can't say enough wonderful things about my time with Roota, but the numbers speak for themselves. So if you don't want to listen to me, just listen back to those numbers and then dive in. Thanks.